Hey y'all, and welcome to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Today's video is chicken and green bean casserole. First thing you'll need are 4 skinless and boneless chicken thighs. Make sure you cut those into some bite-sized pieces. Grab yourself a can of cream of chicken soup and make sure you get all that yummy goodness out of that can. Here we're adding 1/4 cup of milk, give that a really good whisk until it's well combined. Set that over to the side. And right here I have 1 cup of herb seasoned stuffing crumbs, a 1/2 stick of melted butter, and you'll want to stir this up really well to make sure you can get as much of the crumbs coated with that butter as you can, and set that over to the side. So now we have our casserole dish. We are going to spray some extra virgin olive oil spray all on the bottom and the sides of our casserole dish. Now add your bite-sized pieces of chicken to the bottom of the dish. Now spread those out as even as you possibly can. Now we're adding 2 cups of canned green beans. You can use the frozen green beans if you would like, and make sure those are thawed out before you add them to this dish. Now spread those green beans out as even as you possibly can. Now we're adding our soup mixture to the top of the green beans. Spread that out as even as possible. Now add your stuffing crumbs to the top of the dish and make sure that you spread those out as even as you possibly can. Then place your casserole in a 350-degree preheated oven for approximately 45 to 60 minutes. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Until next time, y'all. Bye-bye now.